nothing on this earth. We are nothing in ourselves. God's chosen to use us in His mighty hand. For the master plan requires human instruments, but they must not ever glorify themselves. All the glory must be to the Lord. Only He is worthy all our praise. No one on earth should give glory to themselves, for all the glory must be to the Lord. Are we ready to obey Him when He urges us to go? Are we willing to be nothing but servants of the cross in the times of trial and hardship, or when shining from the top? Are we willing